The world of smartphone filmmaking is heating up again, and this time, all eyes are on DJI's next big move, the Osmo Mobile 8. Leaks, rumors, and even a few early retail box sightings have turned up online, and it's starting to look like DJI is preparing something pretty special for creators, vloggers, and mobile filmmakers everywhere. From what we've seen so far, the Osmo Mobile 8 might feature a lighter, smarter design, new built-in LED lighting, phone charging support, and even better compatibility for heavier smartphones. Add to that talk of longer battery life and a possible extendable arm, and this could be one of the biggest leaps in handheld stabilization we've seen yet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But the big question is this really a true upgrade? Or just another minor refresh wrapped in new marketing? With DJI keeping things under tight secrecy and leaks emerging one by one, the excitement and the mystery are only growing. In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Osmo Mobile 8, the leaks, the new features, the design changes, and what all this could mean for filmmakers, vloggers, and creators on the move. So grab your phone, lock in your shot, and let's take our first real look at the all-new DJI Osmo Mobile 8 and find out if it's worth the hype. The realm of smartphone filmmaking gear is once again stirring with excitement, and this time attention is turning toward DJI's next-generation mobile gimbal stabilizer, the Osmo Mobile 8. With every leak, every regulatory filing, and every quietly uploaded retail box image, the buzz around this imminent release has grown into something serious. For vloggers, mobile creators, tech-savvy travelers, and everyday documentarians alike, the big question is this the smartphone gimbal upgrade we've been waiting for? Will the Osmo Mobile 8 genuinely break the mold of its predecessors and deliver a meaningful leap forward? Lighter design, smarter features, and more versatility, or is it simply a refined iteration dressed up in fresh rumors and aspirational design? In this video, we'll dig through the leaks, assess their credibility, and explore what such changes could mean in practice for creators and everyday users whose workflows depend on mobility, stabilization, and quality. Setting the stage, where the Osmo Mobile line stands today. To appreciate the significance of the Osmo Mobile 8, it helps to rewind and look at how the Osmo Mobile series has evolved. DJI introduced the Osmo Mobile line as a way to bring cinematic, stabilized footage to smartphone shooters, combining gimbals, mobile app connectivity, and streamlined workflows. Each generation refined stabilization algorithms, added more features, improved compatibility, and expanded creator appeal. The Osmo Mobile 7 series, including the 7P variant, brought strong features like active track improvements and multifunction modules. Yet as time goes on, competition tightens. Other makers push mobile gimbal quality, phones themselves improve, and creators demand more. Lighter weight, more features, smarter tracking, longer runtime, faster setup, and seamless integration with phone workflows. In that context, the rumors around a 8th generation become more than mere refresh. They could mark a pivot. The key: does DJI deliver meaningful enhancements, or is this simply Osmo Mobile 7 but 2025 edition? The leaked details suggest DJI may be aiming higher, more than incremental tweaks. If so, then the Osmo Mobile 8 might position itself as the go-to for mobile content creators who demand serious stabilization and workflow flexibility. Over the past several weeks, credible outlets and rumor trackers have surfaced details claimed to be for the Osmo Mobile 8. While none are yet confirmed officially, a consistent picture is emerging. Some of the most frequently cited features include a built-in LED light and phone charging capability on the gimbal handle. A pre-announcement unboxing video shows what appears to be the Osmo Mobile 8 with these additions. An extendable top section of the gimbal, indicating that the clamp or arm can lengthen to accommodate different angles or heavier phones, suggesting improved versatility for larger devices. FCC filing spotted for model DS308, interpreted as Osmo Mobile 8, suggesting that certification is underway and thus that launch is imminent. Reported battery life improvements. Rumors indicate up to 12 hours of continuous use versus approximate 6 to 7 hours in prior model, though this remains unverified. TheNewCamera.com. Compatibility with heavier/larger smartphones. Clamp widths and phone weights reportedly increased to support flagship phones of 2025. TheNewCamera.com. Pricing and release window hints. Leaks indicate an arrival in November 2025 with a standard model priced somewhere between $99, $199, and a Pro or Advanced variant between US $159, $179, though these numbers may shift. Of course, many questions remain unanswered. Will there be interchangeable modules, as seen in prior Pro models? Will the gimbal support artificial intelligence tracking upgrades, e.g., pet/animal tracking, LiDAR, depth sensor? How much lighter or differently built physically will it be? What will the actual build quality be, and what trade-offs, if any, will there be? Will accessories from prior generations remain compatible? And of course, what will be the official price and what features will be reserved for higher-tier versions? Until DJI's official announcement, these details remain speculative, though the pattern of leaks provides a useful roadmap. In rumors around the Osmo Mobile 8, two elements stand out: the notion of a lighter, more versatile build and the sense of tight secrecy by DJI, which suggests they believe the product is significant. Why do these aspects matter for creators? First, portability and ergonomics matter immensely for mobile content creators. For vloggers, travelers, handheld shooters, and those shooting on the move, weight, form factor, and quick mounting matter just as much, if not more, than raw specs. A lighter gimbal means less fatigue, quicker pickups, simpler setups, easier in-hand use, easier bag carriage, and more frequent use. If DJI has managed to reduce weight or improve the extendable arm or phone compatibility without compromising stabilization, then the gimbal becomes more accessible and usable in more real-world contexts. Second, physical build and expanded compatibility reflect evolving creator usage. Smartphones in 2025 are heavier due to higher sensors, lenses, larger batteries. A gimbal designed only for earlier phone sizes may struggle with newer flagships. By increasing phone weight/pass-through tolerance and expanding clamp sizes, DJI signals it's keeping pace with phone evolution. The built-in LED and phone charging hint toward a more creator-friendly workflow. Less accessory juggling, faster readiness, better lighting for face/vlog. Third, the tight secrecy and flow of leaks hint at a strategic product shift. When DJI supply chain shows retail boxes circulating before official reveal and FCC filings appear, it signals that the company expects anticipation and perhaps is positioning the product as a major upgrade rather than a mere minor version bump. The fact we're seeing clearer leaks of packaging and demo units suggests DJI is confident in this model hitting a broad market quickly. As the go-to for mobile content creators who demand serious stabilization and workflow flexibility. Over the past several weeks, credible outlets and rumor trackers have surfaced details claimed to be for the Osmo Mobile 8. While none are yet confirmed officially, a consistent picture is emerging. Some of the most frequently cited features include a built-in LED light and phone charging capability on the gimbal handle. A pre-announcement unboxing video shows what appears to be the Osmo Mobile 8 with these additions. An extendable top section of the gimbal, indicating that the clamp or arm can lengthen to accommodate